Meaning of GB plate.
GB plate.
GB plate.
GB plate.
GB plate. GB plate can refer to several things depending on the context. In automotive circles, it can refer to a number plate conforming to Chinese national standards which feature the characters, meaning national standard. In electrical engineering, it can refer to a grounding bar used for connecting multiple wiring circuits. It can also refer to a type of steel plate used in construction, with GB standing for Chinese National Standard. Overall, the term GB plate is not specific enough to convey a clear meaning without additional context.